Namaskara. I am Dr. Suhasini Inamdar, lead obstetrician and gynecologist, Motherhood, Indranagar. There are so many myths surrounding around the COVID vaccinations. What side effects I will have, whether it will be all right for me or not. So many fears and so many apprehensions are there. So today I thought let me talk and bust all the myths about the vaccination for COVID in pregnancy and breastfeeding mothers. So Government of India, the NITAG, which is the National Immunization Technical Advisory Group, and FOGSI, which is our Federation of Obstetrician and Gynecologists, have given us guidelines as in how we can vaccinate the pregnant women and the lactating mothers. So why it is so important for all the pregnant women and lactating mothers to take the vaccination? Because we have seen a very bad scenario in the second COVID wave. This pandemic wave has created a lot of havoc in the lives of pregnant women, their unborn babies, and the lactating mothers and their babies. So it is always prudent that all the pregnant women and lactating mothers take the vaccination. Now the guideline says that we should offer all the pregnant women and lactating mothers the vaccination. All the vaccines, Covishield, Covaxin, and in some centers we have got Sputnik, all are equally good. You should never mix the vaccine. So if a lady is taking Covishield, then she should take the second dose of Covishield itself, not Covaxin and Covishield to be mixed. So that is one to be remembered. And this whatever vaccination we are offering for COVID are something like what we give during your pregnancy, like tetanus, Boostrix and Influvac. So it is as similar as that. The side effects are almost like those only, where you get some fever, some body pain, and you are all right with that. So whenever you are planning to take vaccination, just talk to your consultant and go for vaccination. Only things we have to remember is the vaccination should not be mixed together, as in your pregnancy vaccination and the COVID vaccination. There should be some gap. Lactating mothers, please consult your doctor. Normally we recommend you to take vaccine after 3 weeks of the birth. 4 weeks would be ideal, but 3 weeks are okay to be taken. Then pregnant women who are having comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes, GDM, any heart disease or any clotting disorders should always ask their doctor and should take the injection in medical supervision. So they should not take unnecessarily going to the booth and sitting there and just taking it, but just come talk to your doctors and your co-clinicians who are treating your other disorders, get admitted for a day, or just come and be in the hospital, take the vaccination there, be under observation and go back home. So I think these are the initiative the Government of India has given us is excellent for our protection and the protection of the coming generation, which are the small babies. And when you are breastfeeding, the antibodies are known to pass through the breast milk to the babies and give immunity to the babies also. So I urge one and all to come ahead and take the vaccination and be safe for yourself and your babies. Thank you.